Hi guys, this is just a short video in regards to the Dethleffs Advantage T7051 EB 2016. This model, as you can see, is a low profile, it's right hand drive, it is automatic. A number of extras such as automatic aircon, remus blinds, large awning, barbecue connection. The bike rack is at the back, you can lower it to the ground. Also the reversing camera, it's a twin reversing camera. Internally you can see that the driver and passenger seat swivel around to the table. It has a T-cap sunroof and quite nice lighting throughout the vehicle. From a bed point of view, it's rear fixed singles at the back, but this can be turned into quite a large double as well if you want it. Kitchen area comprises of a 3-ring hob, an oven and grill, sink, and you have a large fridge freezer as well. Two other additional extras are that it has a solar panel and it also has an automatic satellite system. One other thing, the vehicle had one owner from you as well, so we know the history and details on this vehicle. Okay guys, I'll leave you go. If you have any queries, as I said, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you, bye bye.